Hello, my crafty friends. So, had a quick idea about this month's paper pumpkin. It is so adorable. I love it. I had to order the refills because I love how cute these are. I especially love the little heart with all the little bees and let's be friends. Isn't it cute? So, a while ago, I had picked up this beautiful box from Michael's. He's a very nice little size. He's beautiful. I am biased because it has the purple in it and everything. And it's like little piece that you could open it with. But guess what happens when you open it up? Isn't it cute? Oh, I love the inside of the box. And the paper pumpkin fits in the box. So 4 of the little treat bags, 2 of the cards, because when you calculate it out, the actual kit makes 10 cards with envelopes and 20 paper bags. So if you were giving this out, it would mean you'd give this with 2 bags. So this is enough for 2 people. Or you can give it as a gift for 1 person. Isn't she pretty? Message me if you'd like more information on how to get one of these.